Hey guys, John here with EZ LYNK. Today we're going to go over tokens, what they're used for, who uses them, and how you can buy them. A token is used to connect a vehicle to a technician. So technicians are going to use those. Those aren't used by consumers. If you're a new technician, you're trying to figure out how to buy tokens, I'll walk you through that process. You can get there a couple different ways. Right now we're here on the EZ LYNK homepage. So get tokens, it's there at the top. We're going to log into our account. And then up here at the top, it's going to show our token balance. We're going to refill the balance, put in our password, and then add tokens. So if we add one token, it's $20. Just so you can see how that works. And then you're going to use those to connect with customers' vehicles. So more or less, the tokens are used by technicians, and the price is going to vary per vehicle on how much that is to connect to each vehicle. So look forward to seeing you in the future for more tips and tricks. Check back later. Thanks, guys.